Patio umbrella bases causing stains on your deck or patio surface is way more common than you'd think, and it can totally ruin your outdoor vibe fast. So, to keep your hangout spot looking fresh, you gotta use a protective mat underneath that umbrella base. Like, those rubber or plastic mats are lifesavers because they stop moisture and rust from the metal base from seeping into your wood or concrete. Also, make sure you clean under the base regularly. Dust and dirt can trap moisture and make staining worse. If your base is metal, check it for rust spots and repaint or seal it before it gets ugly. Don't just plop the umbrella base down anywhere. Pick a spot with good drainage so water won't pool around it. If you're dealing with a wooden deck, consider using a rubber mat that's designed specifically for decks to avoid scratches. Sometimes even just flipping the base around every few weeks helps because it evens out the wear. And if you're super concerned about stains, look into a base cover that wraps snug around the umbrella stand for extra protection. One of the biggest mistakes people make with patio umbrella bases causing stains is not using any protective layer at all, which lets rust and water damage the surface underneath. To fix that, start with a thick rubber or plastic mat that's easy to clean and waterproof. Another issue is ignoring regular maintenance. When dirt builds up, it traps moisture and speeds up staining, so wipe down the base and mat often. The third common problem is placing the base on surfaces without proper drainage, creating puddles that leave marks. Make sure your spot has decent water runoff, or add some small blocks to lift the base slightly off the ground. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like patio setups without wrecking your space. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new clients and show off their skills to people who actually need their help.